We interrupt this program to activate the scan it for the emergency alert system, Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of
posted on September 8, 2024.
a local weather emergency. A local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Howard County, eastern Montgomery County, and northern Prince George's County until 8 o'clock tonight. At 7:28, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Laurel near Beltsville, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. There was radar-indicated rotation in that area, according to the National Weather Service. This dangerous storm is going to be near...
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. All right.
Savage and Columbia, around 7:35. Savage and Columbia in about 5 minutes. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fulton, Simpsonville, Skaggsville, Burtonsville, Savage, and Jessup. So another tornado warning issued by the National Weather Service, one of several. Southeastern Howard County, eastern Montgomery County, northern Prince George's County until 8 o'clock tonight. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a
Posted on September 10, 2024.
local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for south central Anne Arundel County, northwestern Calvert County, and east central Prince George's County until 8:15. At 7:44, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Marlton or near Upper Marlboro, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The National Weather Service says there was some rotation indicated on radar there. This dangerous storm is going to be near...
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. All right.
Upper Marlboro around 7:50.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lothian, Harwood, and Tracy's Landing. Again, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for south central Anne Arundel County, northwestern Calvert County, east central Prince George's County. If you are in those areas, the National Weather Service
Strongly urges you to move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.